guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to create desktop shortcut of your any drive on your Windows 11. So as you can see guys, I have C drive, E drive and F drive. So just I want to create the E drive desktop shortcut on my Windows 11. So for this guys, just right click on your desktop empty space and select new option. From here you need to select shortcut, okay, and in the shortcut box you need to click on browse option like this, and here just you need to select this PC, and here you can get your all drive. As you can see CEF, so just I want to create E drive desktop shortcut. Just select your drive and click on OK. That's it. Now click on next. After this guys, click on finish. That's it. Now as you can see guys, desktop shortcut was created on my desktop. As you can see from your desktop, you can easily able to open that particular tab. That's it. So that's it for today guys. The short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.